We have had one of the best historic runs in real estate in decades, but this could be about to change. Hi everyone, it's Cristan Fadal with Fadal Real Estate, and so much has been said about the real estate market in the US and more particularly Florida. In fact, we have had some crazy numbers in price appreciation of homes. In the last 10 years, over 110% price appreciation, and in just 1 year, 14% price appreciation. So what will end this, and more importantly, what factors should we look at that could end this bull market? By the way, click below to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can stay updated on all things real estate. So before we get into the details, let's look at what makes real estate so attractive. So first and foremost, we have crazy low interest rates. Right now, interest rates have been averaging under 3%. That's under 3%. That's insane, unheard of. Money is cheap, and that is now giving buyers more purchasing power. Second, inventory has been extremely tight. So in fact, many areas of Florida, we're seeing less than 30 days of supply. On top of that, the buyer pool in Florida continues to increase with people relocating to the Sunshine State. Finally, rents keep escalating. The prices of rents keep escalating. So when you do a comparison of renting versus buying, it's actually more advantageous to buy versus rent, again, putting more pressure on the limited supply of homes that we have in the market. Now, those were the reasons why real estate has been on a tear, but let's look at what can change and what is starting to change that could modify this market significantly. Two things that we've learned recently. First is that the Federal Reserve is actually looking to taper their bond buying program more aggressively. That means they're going to be more in the market selling their mortgage-backed securities as well as treasuries. That's going to lead to an increase in rates. Secondly, they've already said that they are going to plan on 3 interest rates hikes in 2022. That's 3. That again is going to impact interest rates for 15 and 30-year mortgages. Now that interest rates begin to accelerate, that is going to put pressure on buyers' ability to buy homes because it's going to reduce their purchase power. Let's take an example. If you have a 3% mortgage on a $300,000 home, if that interest rate increases from 3 to 4%, just 1 percentage increase, that's going to have a 10% increase on the purchasing power, and basically they're only going to be able to afford a $270,000 home. Hence, they cannot afford as much. That's going to impact the market itself. So home supply has been extremely tight, as we've talked about. But once we see rates increase and prices begin to slow down, in the past, sellers don't want to miss the boat, and they will want to jump in the market, hence more inventory to the market, giving buyers more options, which when they have more options, they are not going to go after the most expensive property. So you begin to see more homes in the market, increased supply, giving buyers more leverage, better negotiating power, and the cycle continues, etc., etc. Now, all in all, we do not see a crash as we did in 2008. But what we do see in 2022 is higher interest rates, increased inventory, less multiple offer situations, we all know about that, and a significant slowdown in price appreciation of homes. Now, this being said, there are 2 things to recommend, 2 things that I do recommend. One, for the sellers. If you're a seller who's been sitting on the fence waiting to eke out a little bit more gain, I would seriously give consideration to getting your home on the market before things really do change. If you are a buyer in this market and you've been waiting for this huge price drop that's going to go back to 2008, I would hope that you would reconsider that. Prices will stabilize, but we do not think that they are going to crash. But what we do see is that interest rates are going to increase, which will reduce your buying power and how much you can purchase. So thanks for watching. We hope that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay updated on all things real estate. Take care.